Good morning, students. I hope you are all right at home. In last lecture, I already completed my physics chapter, that was a motion and force. But in this lecture, we have to do the revision of chapter motion and force. First of all, we start the revision of back exercise on the page number 29. A1 is the choose the correct option. Yes, see first one. A car cover equal distance in equal interval of time along the curved road. Along the curved road. But no direction is there. This side, no direction. Equal distance in equal interval of time. First option, uniform acceleration. Second option, uniform velocity. Third option, uniform speed. Variable speed. When body cover equal distance, equal interval time, no variable speed, no acceleration is there. Uniform velocity, when direction is not there, no uniform, the answer only C. C. Uniform speed. Now come on the, this was the first part, first one. Now come on the second one. One oscillation of pendulum. See like this diagram. One oscillation of pendulum. This position is a two extreme position A and C, mean position is a B. One oscillation of pendulum shown with the motion. One oscillation. Yes. First option B, C. B, C, D, A, B. Yes. This is the one complete starting from there. This. Answer is this one only. But we have to see the another one also. A, B, C. Not complete. Half oscillation only. B, C, A. No. B left only. B, C, D only. C option, D option. C option also not. A, B, C, C, B, A. But here A, B, C, A, B, C. So D answer also wrong. The answer is a E only. That was a B, C, D, A, B. D, C, D, A, B. Complete oscillation is there. Now come on the third one. Which of the following is the measurement of the velocity? 15 meter west. Meter, so distance only, not velocity, not speed. 15 meter per second. This was the speed only, no direction. 15 meter per second square. Acceleration only. 15 meter per second. In which direction? East. Direction also. Speed also. It means velocity only. The answer is a D option. Now come on the fourth one. Fourth one. Yes. On which of the following factor does the time period of oscillation pendulum does not depend? Does not depend. You know the formula. T is equal to 2 pi under root of L upon G. L is the length of pendulum. G is the acceleration due to gravity. Yes. A option, length of the pendulum. Not depend. Mean is depend upon length also. Mass of the bob. Not depend upon the mass of the bob. Acceleration due to gravity depend. Amplitude also. Amplitude of oscillation. It also not depend. The answer may be some B also and D also. Any answer you have to put. It is independent. Already told amplitude also. Not depend. Amplitude also. Mass also. The answer is B and D both of. Yes. Now come on the fifth one. Motion of the screw which going into the wood. When you put the screw go inside the wood. See like this. Go in front also. Translatory motion also. Sorry, linear motion also. First one is a linear and a spin motion. Spin, no. Spin is like this. No, not spin. Spin is like this. Spin. Linear is there, spin no. Rotational and revolution. Revolution to अर्थ revolute around the sun. Rotation both together. No, not go straight. C. Rotation and linear. Yes. Go in front also and rotating like also. Rotation. The answer is C only. So this is the choose the correct one. Now next one is the filling the blanks. Next one is the filling the blanks. B part. Next one we have to see the B part, filling the blanks. Yes, B part, filling the blanks. Yes, first one, filling the blanks, we have to see. Dash is the shortest distance between initial and final position of the moving particle a given time. Already told, the shortest distance is what? Displacement. Displacement only, shortest distance. A body falling under the gravity has uniform acceleration. The word is a uniform acceleration. Third one, filling the blanks. If dash is a constant, then the motion is a uniform motion. Sorry. If the dash is a constant, which thing is a constant though? The motion is a uniform motion, not accelerated motion. Which thing is a constant? Speed. The answer is if the uniform speed is if the speed is a constant, then motion is a uniform. If speed constant, you already know, when body cover equal distance in equal interval of time. Speed only. Fourth one is there. The unit of rate of change of velocity. You already know rate of change of velocity is the formula. Acceleration. Very nice. Answer is the acceleration. Fifth one. A body is a uniform circular motion. When body move in circular path, I already told to you. Body cover equal distance in equal interval of time. But actually they change the direction. That's why the acceleration is there. A body's uniform circular motion has the non-uniform velocity. Actually uniform speed, but their velocity is a non-uniform or variable because their direction change. Direction change. Yes, answer is a variable or non-uniform velocity. Very easy. Because of the direction change. So these are the filling the blanks, students. Our next one is the true and false. True and false. You check there, it is true or false. If false, then you have to correct this. Correct the statement. Yes, first one, true and false. Correct also. First one. A body in a circular path has a constant velocity. Now already told to you in the filling the blanks. Not constant velocity, variable. Answer is underline the constant. Actually answer is a false. But underline the constant, which thing come? Variable or non-uniform. Second thing. A ball thrown up reaches to the height of the 3 meter. For example, ball thrown up of the height to the 3 meter and return back to the hand to the thrown for displacement of. Again return back 3 meter. So displacement, net displacement already know. For example, this one AB, so this one BA, AB plus BA. But we have to count the 3 meter, have to count the direction. So answer is 3 minus 3, 0. Displacement is 0. The answer is a false only. False. So underline what? Underline 6 meter. The answer comes 0 meter. Yes, third one. Displacement is always equal to the distance travel. No. Displacement is always less than equal. Sometime equal, sometime less than. Shortest distance. No, it is less than, not always equal. The again answer is a false. Here what you have to put the always. Underline always, you write sometime. Some conditions only. Fourth one. A body with a constant velocity has no acceleration. Yes, if velocity is constant though, already told to you. If the same velocity 50-50, the answer 0 only, acceleration 0 only. Obviously, no acceleration, the answer is a true. Now come on the fifth one. If time period of simple pendulum is a 2 seconds, if time period of simple pendulum 2 seconds, its frequency, you know relation of frequency is 1 upon time period. You have to put the 1 by 2 second, that one 0.5 per second, and you know 1 hertz equal to 1 per second. So here you put hertz. Answer 2.5 hertz. Answer is a true only. True. Okay. Here answer given of 5. Its frequency is 5 hertz. No. 0.5. So underline the 5 hertz. The answer actually is 0.5 hertz. Answer is a false. So this one is the true and false. C part. This is the C part. Now come on the D part. Yes, very interesting. Yes. See there now the D part. Match the following. If you know the concept, you are able to solve everything. Concept is very important. If from the starting you not see my videos, then problem. In between you do any question, you are unable to understand the numerical and other things. Now we see the D part. Match the following. Match the following. Yes, first one is a speed. Yes, try to see which one match with the speed. Which one match with the speed? A scalar quantity. Scalar quantity. Second one is a velocity. Vector quantity. Now we have checked which one is okay. This one. Meter per second. You can say put that meter per second is there. Here vector quantity is not there. That's why you put the meter per second. Third one. Acceleration. Acceleration, do you know meter per second square? Yes, so answer is a meter per second square. Now come on the fourth one. A drum membrane. Yes, drum membrane. Drum membrane. That was you see the drum membrane. Which one is there? Vibration. Drum membrane do vibration. Fifth one. Potter wheel. Potter wheel start rotating, doing the rotational motion. So see there, which one is there? Rotation. Very nice. Very easy for you student. If you read the chapter properly. Reading of the chapter is very important for you. Frequency. Frequency. See their frequency. Their unit is the hertz only to hertz. One is the option. Seventh. Amplitude. Amplitude, you know, maximum displacement. Already told to you. Their answer is a 2, 1, 4, 5, 6, 3 and 7. 2, 1, 4, 5, 6, 3, 7. This one the answer only. So now we have seen the E part. This one the D part is there. Name the type of motion seen in the following cases. Yes, see there. The first motion, E part is there. First motion you see, Earth moving about its axis. Which type of motion it is? A periodic motion. Periodic or rotatory. Second case, apple falling from the tree downward, translatory motion. Third one, needle in the sewing machine doing like this, periodic motion. Repeat their motion after fixed interval of time. Bumblebee is doing randomly here and sometimes translatory, sometimes rotational. So like this, a random motion. Next one, motion of the football, multiple motion. Not kicking the football in one direction. Ball do go like this. Sometimes rotatory also, sometimes translatory also, sometimes vibratory also. Lot of types of motions are there. So this is the multiple motion. So this is the first lecture of my revision. Revision video is there. In next lecture we have to do some another questions. Thank you.